Hi everyone, this is JD, ang bago niyong source of information para sa mga online loan platforms, overall financial literacy. Today, yung pag-uusapan natin is isa sa pinaka-legit na online loan provider, GLoan. Now si GLoan, if hindi nyo alam, yung application and everything is through GCash. That's why I call it one of the most legit online platforms or online loan apps. Maraming gustong magka-offer ng GLoan dahil nag-o-offer siya ng up to 125,000 pesos. And pasok agad sa GCash mo if approve ka. Sa video na to guys, let's talk about GLoan, paano ka magka-offer, sino ang qualified, and let's see nga ba if okay ang lender na to. I'm sure, bago ka dito kasi bago yung channel natin. So please like and subscribe. Marami tayo ng subscribers. Kasi marami pa tayong gustong i-share na mga real-life experiences. And kasi marami pa tayong gustong pag-usapan na mga online loan apps, credit card, ma-review natin ng maigi at makapagpili ka ng maayos. GLoan is one of the 4 reliable credit and loan solutions na maa-avail nyo via GCash. Correct me if I'm wrong ha, pero I know most of you guys prefer GLoan over GCredit or GGives. Kasi nga si GGives, pahirapan pa mag-convert to cash kasi nga hindi naman siya designed para maging cash loan. Si GCredit, pa QR. Si GLoan naman, pasok agad yung pera. Pero the best part, why GLoan is one of the best online loan product dito sa Pilipinas is because number 1, yun nga, umaabot ng 125,000 pesos yung offer niya. Number 2, yung interest rates niya ay ang baba. Nasa 1.59% lang or up to 6.99%. And guys, hindi siya 7 days. Maabot siya ng 9 to 12 months or up to 24 months. So, hindi talaga pahirapan yung monthly niya. Paano nga ba ma-avail si GLoan? Well, number 1, nakadepende siya sa G-score mo, which measures how often you use GCash and all the connected or affiliated products within the app. And take note guys, if gamit na gamit mo talaga yung app, makakatanggap ka talaga ng off. Balikan natin mamaya yung eligibility niya. Pero, pag may offer ka na, magti-text naman siya sa inyo guys. Open mo lang yung app. Under the Borrow tab, click mo si GLoan and makikita mo if may offer kang ganito. And take note guys, yung offer ni GLoan is nakadepende talaga sa system niya. Meron siyang algorithm na tinitingnan yung laman ng GCash mo, GCredit, and everything inside the app. And dun siya nakabase if magkano yung ibibigay niyang GLoan sa'yo. Example natin dito is nakatanggap ako ng 35,000 na loan offer. So makikita mo na ang offer niya is 9 to 12 months installment. Interest rate is 1.89%. Not bad, right? Kaya nga lang, yun, may 3% processing fee. Yung 3% processing fee niya, guys, kinakaltas niya in advance. So, hindi mo matatanggap ng buo yung loan mo. Dun sa offer, just click Get Start. Pili ka ng magkano yung ilo-loan mo. Pwede mong isagad or pwedeng may minimum. But take note na if increments of 500 pesos lang. So, hindi pwedeng may butal na 250 or 100. So, dapat 5,000 or 5,500, 6,000. You get the point. So, ang ganda dito guys is andyan agad lahat sa same page. Sa baba, makikita mo agad kung magkano yung monthly installment mo. So, sa example na to, kinuha ko yung 5,000 pesos na loan offer. Click ko yung 9 months to pay. Ito yung aking month is only 650, which is not bad, right? But yun nga, 9 months. Interest rate niya is 1.89% add-on lang. Iba yan sa effective interest rate niya, which we will discuss later on sa final page ng application. So, ito yung 3% processing fee na binanggit ko kanina. May 150 deduction na agad. So, nagtatanong lang siya kung saan mo gagamitin yung loan na to. Ikaw na bahala dyan. Sinagad ko nga siya ng 35,000 na loan. And, kinuha ko pa yung longest possible term niya, which is 12 months. Good news is, bumaba din yung interest rate ko. 1.59 na lang, down from 1.89. Kaya nga lang, umabot din ng 1,000 yung processing fee ko. Pero okay na rin, kasi ibang Ola nga is, maglo-loan ka ng 2,000, kukunan ka ng 800 peso on top. So, parang okay na talaga to. Sa next pages nito, papareview niya lang yung details ng loan. Click mo lang, accept mo lang lahat ng pwede mong accept. Binasa ko na lahat para sa inyo, guys. Check na yan. Kung first time mo, syempre, mag-a-ask siya ng additional information, which is the typical information naman. Name, birthday. Eto, guys, yung emergency contact nyo. Tandaan nyo, although si GCash is hindi naman naghaharas, but still, they will send reminders sa emergency contact nyo na magpapasuyo na mag-reach out sa'yo. I would say na respect na lang din your emergency contact and let them know na gagamitin mo sila as emergency contact para hindi naman sila ma-shock na may tawag sila araw-araw in case hindi kayo makabayad. So sa last page, kung may kailangan baguhin, just edit and then submit. Click confirm, but hindi pa yan yung final. May OTP ka pa. Click mo yung confirm, bigay mo yung OTP, approve na yan. Wow. It will say 24 to 48 hours, but in my experience, lumabas naman agad sa GCash wallet ko. So, I think mabilis lang talaga. Sigurista lang sila na walang magreklamo in case ma-delay sila ng konti. Makakatanggap ka ng breakdown ng loan and agreement mo sa email mo. So, if babasahin mo yung loan disclosure na makikita sa email mo, yung offer nga nila is 1.59% lang yung added interest rate. Pero, may contractual interest rate pa siyang 2.79, which makes the total effective interest rate of 3.31 per month. Deceptive if ako yung tanungin mo ng marketing kanina, 1.59 lang, 1.89, pero ending pala is 3 point something pa siya. So I'm sure nasa terms yun, but I would have appreciated if this was a little bit more upfront and hindi binigay lang in detail after the fact na nag-loan ka na. But still, it's a good deal. Kasi nga, 3%, 5-6 nga, 20% yan eh. So before we end the video, let's talk about eligibility. So number one, of course, you need to be a verified GCash user. A Filipino citizen with a valid government ID, at least 21 years old, verified GCash email. To verify your GCash account, you will need the following IDs. Kung eligible ka, GCash will usually just send you a text message. And just take note that eligibility might change from week to week depending on how often you're using the app or depending on their algorithm. So it can go up next week or it could go down next week. That's the thing. Medyo unreliable siya. So even if hindi mo kailangan yung pera this week and then nagka-emergency ka next week, baka wala na siya. So, I don't know. I don't like it because it's forcing you to take the loan now, even when you don't need it. I mean, utang pa rin yan. That's something you need to pay. So, plan in advance and make sure na pasok sa budget. It's powered by Fuse Financing. Dahil legit si Fuse or G-Loan, paggamit ng G-Loan ay nakaka-affect sa credit score mo. So, ito din yung ginagawang batayan ng ibang mga online loan platforms if i-approve ka nila. So, I would take care of this one if I were you. At the end of the day, guys, G-Loan is one of the best loan products you can avail in the Philippines. If may nakalimutan naman ako, please comment na lang and discuss natin sa comment section. Peace.